Genesis creates open-source middleware to address interoperability problems of AI and IoT devices to achieve physical AI. Our business model is EAS, Edge as a Service. Consider us as AWS for Edge AI. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use IoT Driver Copilot and Shifu Dev to achieve rapid device integration and control through an HVAC simulation device based on the BACnet protocol. Using simple HTTP APIs, we can retrieve real-time data like indoor and outdoor temperature, water temperature, and preset values and remotely adjust the HVAC parameters. Here's how IoT Driver Copilot enables rapid driver generation for any device. Just upload the device manual or specify your driver requirements. The system then automatically extracts the key information and generates an editable profile. After you confirm the details, it creates the HTTP API configurations for device control. The driver code is automatically generated and pushed to your Git repository. Developers can then debug the driver using the HVAC simulator. Once debugging is complete, the driver can be exported as a reusable Shifu Dev template for batch deployment. Next, Shifu Dev takes over for application development and integration. Start by importing the HVAC template from IoT Driver Copilot. Next, select and configure the template parameters by entering details such as the device IP, port, device ID, and device name. Use the deployment commands provided by Shifu Dev to connect the HVAC device to your cluster for unified management. With IoT Driver Copilot and Shifu Dev, we achieve seamless integration for a complex BACnet device.